Ever wondered how to get the most out of your workouts in the shortest time? Let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT is all about short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. It's super effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. With HIIT, you can burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health in just 20-30 minutes a day. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment. You can do HIIT at home, at the gym, or even outdoors. Just pick exercises that get your heart pumping. Here's a simple HIIT routine to get you started. 30 seconds of high-intensity exercise followed by 15 seconds of rest. Repeat for 20 minutes. Remember to warm up before and cool down after your workout. HIIT is a powerful way to maximize your workout efficiency and see results faster. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.